Hi guys, it's DJ here from CozyRC, and today we are going to speedrun my M700. This is my own design mono, my own build. Wooden mono, 27.5 inch or 700 millimeters. It's now set up for speed, so we are going to run it with a TP 3640 2300 kV motor on 5S at first. And who knows, if it all goes well, we will also try 6S. We got a modified Flycolor 150 amp speed controller. So the modifications are cooling block on top of the fats and also a capacitor pack which is underneath the deck. The prop is an ABC 1615, kind of small, but I think high RPM and small prop works best for this hull. So let's see what kind of speed we can get. We've got the GPS inside, so it's start. And read to start. Alright, tracking. I'm going to zoom out a bit to keep the boat in frame. The water conditions are perfect, perfectly smooth water. So let's see what we can do here. Let's wait for the ripples to cool down. Okay, there we go. Okay, too bad. Let's rescue it. Got it rescued with a fishing pole. Flipped it so the speed doesn't count, but let's see anyway what we did. 121. Wow, that's already very close to the record, which is I think 122. So let's start it again and read to start. Okay, let's try again. And I think I have to ease into the throttle a little bit more. Not sure if you can still see it in frame, but let's wait for the ripples again. There we go. It was not full throttle. Man, the sound is nice. It just needs more weight towards the bow. Not sure how to do that because the LiPo is already all the way forward onto the tray. Okay, let's try again. Again, not full throttle, but started to get wobbly there. Let's see what we did for the speed. I have to get my phone. And read 118. Wow. I think this setup has it in it to go faster, but I need to keep it down. Okay, what I will do, I will slightly down trim the trim tabs, and then we try again. Slightly down trimmed the trim tabs. They are still above the water, just. So let's see what kind of speed we will now get. Start and read. Start. Okay, tracking. Let's see if this makes a difference. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it does start to wobble at speed. I'm not sure if it was faster. Let's see. And read 118 again. Start and read 5, start. Okay. I just need one lucky run where I can gain 4 kilometers an hour. No, actually 5. 5 kilometers an hour more than the 118 to get a speed record. Yeah, acting kind of funny. But I kept the throttle for a bit longer, so there is a chance that it was faster now. And read 119. Okay. Start and read. Start. Okay. Let's try one more. Yeah, it's definitely more stick to the water right now, so to say. And read 121. Wow, we're getting close. And read 3. Start 121. Well, that's at least the fastest legit run that we did, because the first one we also got 121, but we flipped it, so it is fast, I mean, no doubt about that, but it's just not very stable at that speed. And read 119. All right. Let's try to analyze the handling a bit. Yeah. It does some chain walk. Let's quit it for this run. I also brought a 6S pack, and if I can keep it on the water, it could be record fast. Let's check the inside. Let's measure some temps. Okay, looking good. There is a little bit of water. Okay. The motor is 44. Speed controller 35 only. LiPo 46. Not bad. These modified fly collars, they are awesome. I ran this fly collar at my G-Force twin mono with a TP 4050 2350 kV on 6S, which is an insane amount of RPM, and it's basically a high amp setup. A 150 amp speed controller should not be able to cope with that, but it did it without breaking down. So yeah, I'm really impressed with these fly collars. If you do some modifications like the cooling block and an extra capacitor pack, they are very sturdy. Time for the second run with the M700 with an insane setup. 6S CNHL 5200 mAh 90C paired with a TP 3640 2300 kV, crazy high RPM setup with an ABC 1615. Let's see what we can get. Start the GPS and read, start. Okay, I know this is going to be insane on 6S. Let's hope for the best. Let's wait for the ripples. Okay, that didn't sound good. I think that was a kind of a motor failure almost it sounded. And read 121, start, and read 2, start. I don't know what that was, but didn't sound healthy to me. Maybe this RPM is just too much. Not sure. No. Doesn't sound good. I will not run it more. I don't want to destroy my boat. Don't want to destroy the motor, nor the ESC. So let's quit it. And read 100. No guys, sorry. 6S is just too much. The setup didn't sound happy. Let's check the internals. But I rather keep my boat in one piece, so we will not run it more than that. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, I don't see anything strange. Nothing feels hot. 35, 28, 26, 25. Didn't run hot, but I could hear a very strange squeak. Maybe the timing is off. It could also be the issue, but I just don't want to risk running it more. 121 kilometers an hour on 5S as well as on 6S. Same speed, same record speed for today. No PB, unfortunately. I think with a 5S setup, with the 5S LiPo, I could get it to run a PB. So we will try that next time with a freshly charged 5S LiPo. Anyway, it is a fast boat. If you want to build it, I have the Etsy link in the description. If you want to buy the kit and you are located in Europe, you can send me a message and I can arrange also a laser cut kit for you. Alright, thank you for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye!